Hi, in this series I'm going to teach you some useful F2L tricks. Let's get right to it. So, our first F2L par is going to be in this case. It's got like this checkerboard pattern and the white on the top. Usually people solve it like getting it on top and then solve it normally. Some of you do this part like this. Double sexy move and then insert on the back. But it's not the most efficient way. I'm going to show you two useful algs for this case. It's easy to recognize because these are opposites and these are opposites, and you need to place that white here. So the first alg will involve the R, F and D moves. You can see the alg on the screen. I'll show the finger tricks. It's R2, D prime, F2, D, R2. You see, it's really fast once you get used to it. The second alg, which I was using for a long time, it involves R and U white moves. It looks something like this. R2, U white prime, R2, U white and R2. As you can see, both algs are very similar. So yeah, if you prefer D moves, just do this alg. And if you prefer U white moves, then just do this. Thanks for watching. Bye.